Whenever I say marry an Igbo man, he gets why. Anytime I tell you marry an Igbo man, I know why I'm telling you this. It look as if I'm hyping this man too much. Well, I have my reasons. I know why I'm saying these things. I am saying it from experience. I'm saying this from fact. But check this out.
Nah, did you think it's easy? Do you think it's easy to carry palm wine from Amodu? This palm wine, they had to bring it today. I had to wait. The thing came down and I brought it. Now, my friend, maybe I can bet to go. No, negodiuku. Kachi, did I not make a good choice? I have to stand. Hey, Acha. Hey, Ngabumma. Tata.
Finally, we're here now.
You look beautiful. Like, you look beautiful. Let me help you. How come this one is gold? That was going to be right.
Life happens.
And life happens. You should not give me the one that I used to drink from one. No, yes, I can't take a call. Hey!
You record everything.
You have to record it. Hey! Tualigodi. Hey! Now what Tom Kaji for it? Auto boom. Hey! Charlie. Hey! Kachi, leave this clothes you are drying and snap us. You don't understand. Kachi has been drying clothes for the past 20 minutes. Kachi, say a picture now. Hey!
Like, see the way I'm smiling from teeth to teeth. Oh, why not? Because, I'm just smiling as if it's me he's talking to. See, when I say marry an Igbo man, Igbo men are the real truth. These men will hype the hell out of your life. These men will hype you to stupor. They will make you feel like a princess. This is just one out of 1,000 reasons why I always say and I always recommend marry an Igbo man. He gets why. With that being said, bye. See you in my next video. Mwah.